Are you tired of that back and forth with a potential client trying to find when you're both free to have a call? Have you tried systems like Calendly or Acuity Scheduling? Those are great apps, but I have found another one which I think could be better than both of those. It's called TidyCal, and it's what I'm going to go through in this video. Hi, my name is Jason Kruger, and I help you to simplify your online marketing tech. So in this video, I want to go through TidyCal because I think it's a good option, especially for coaches that are looking for some kind of booking system, but have those extra features that you might need down the line. Calendly and Acuity Scheduling are great programs, and they are very well used and very well liked. But sometimes when you want those extra features, it starts becoming more expensive. And TidyCal has all of those features, and it has one price. So let me share my screen and we'll go through some of the details of TidyCal. So this is the page that you are greeted with when you go to tidycal.com. And as you can see, and this is why I'm looking to recommend TidyCal now to all of my clients, it has a lifetime deal of only $29. Now, if you look at Acuity Scheduling or Calendly, there is a monthly subscription for those services. And the more features you need, the higher the subscription. So TidyCal definitely will help you going forward with your budget. So as you can see, it's a very simple homepage, and it has a booking page just like you would see in Calendly or Acuity Scheduling. But down here, it actually starts breaking down some of the features that it has. So some of these features you will get in Acuity Scheduling or Calendly as part of your free package, especially in Calendly. So you have your unlimited booking types, colors, customer availability, max calendar connections. Now, with a lot of the other ones like Acuity or Calendly, you need to subscribe to a paid plan to get more connections to different calendars. And the same with group bookings, paid bookings, all of that, you need to have a paid plan. Now, of course, with TidyCal, you'll need those as well, but it's that one-time fee. So you can create a free account with TidyCal, but you won't have access to some of these. As you can see, the paid bookings and integrations and group bookings, you do have to pay the $29. But if you just want to try it out, you can just start with their free plan and have the unlimited booking types, etc. So if I just go up here, we'll go to the pricing page. And you can see everything that you are going to be getting as part of that one-time fee of $29. Now, as you can see, the amount of features that you are going to get is great. You're not going to get anything better with any of the other platforms. But what I really like about this is sometimes, you want to have those paid bookings. Now, you do need the subscription with the other platforms like Acuity or Calendly, and they have those paid bookings. But the other thing that I really like about here is you can have package bookings. So this is where you might have a package of, let's say, 10 calls, and someone buys that package. But with Calendly and Acuity, if you want to do something like that, one, you need to have the higher price point packages. And I'm not sure if Calendly actually offers that. I know Acuity does. But sometimes when you have that package of, let's say, 5 or 10 calls, in the past, you might have to get them to book 10 individual calls, especially if it's not going to be at the same time. But with this, you can have those packaging, and they can go and choose all the different times for their calls. Group bookings. So this is another great one where, you can have that group booking. So if you are a coach that, or a fitness coach that does yoga or, some other class like that, then you can have that group booking where people can book on to that class. So everything can be done directly with TidyCal. You don't have to have these other expensive solutions. It does everything for you, and it will integrate with your calendar. So it will check all of your other appointments to make sure that you are available. So it does everything that Calendly and Acuity do as well. But I just think this is a great platform. And the other thing that you can do is when you are creating some of these booking types, you can add them to their directory. So what this means is they have a directory of services, and people can actually search for it. And if you come up, they can use your booking page to sign up to a course that you might be having, a workshop, a free call, anything. So as you can see here, they have a directory listing of all sorts of different appointments or booking types on here. And a lot of them are free, but you can also have those paid ones on there. So it is very versatile, and it's just another way to be discovered, and you don't have to do any more work for it. Now, with some of these, I would, go through and make sure that I have branded them correctly, and I have got some extra photos and all that on there just to make it stand out. But you don't need to do anything else. So that's another great point for TidyCal. So if something like this does interest you, then I would urge you to take a look at this. So if you're already using Calendly or Acuity Scheduling and you're thinking this might be a great solution going forward, especially it will, save some money on those subscriptions, then please do have a look at TidyCal. And if you are looking for a solution and because you don't have one at the moment, then I do think TidyCal is going to be a great solution for you. Now, in future videos, I will be going through TidyCal in more detail, going through all the settings and all the behind the scenes as well. So do look out for that video as well. I'll see you on the next one.